Hello y'all, this is D-Dog here. Today I'm about to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. So, it comes in a nice box, so let's take a look around it. On the back, you get the Samsung Galaxy Tab A text, packaged contents, and some text. So, we're gonna take it out the box. So this is what you get when you first open the box. You get the quick start guide, terms and conditions / health and safety information, and you get your micro SD ejector tool. But let's take the tablet out the box and look at the accessories. So you get USB Type-C, and you get your standard Samsung wall adapter. And I believe this is not fast charge. So let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A tablet. It's in a nice sleeve. So first thing you notice, it is like black. You can see like the 8-inch screen right here. So on the front, you get the Samsung logo, the 5 megapixel front facing camera. On the bottom, if you can see, you get your task manager button, or app drawer, your home button, and I don't believe this is a fingerprint scanner, we gotta see, and you get your back button. So on the sides you get your volume rockers, your power button. On the top you get a headphone jack, which is a good thing, and a microphone. So on the bottom you get your speaker grill and your USB Type-C port. This is what the back of the tablet looks like. You get the 8 megapixel camera, your flash, the Samsung logo, which is has a metallic design, a sticker. So let's turn it on. It comes with a 1280 by 800 LCD display, a 5000 mAh non-removable battery, expandable storage up to 256 gigabytes, 8 megapixel back camera, and 5 megapixel front facing. And the back camera could record up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. And it's got 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor, and it runs Android 7.1 Nougat. So I'm going to set it up and I'm going to be right back. This is what the lock screen looks like on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. You get shortcuts like to Google Chrome and camera. But let's look at the home screen. So this is what the home screen looks like. On the dock you get My Files, Gallery, Camera, Email, Internet, and Calendar. So if we swipe up, this is what the app drawer would look like. It's pretty basic, there's not a lot of apps, not a lot of bloatware on here. So you get the Samsung apps, you get the Google apps, like Google, Chrome, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, and Drive. Microsoft apps, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, OneNote, and Skype. This is what the laptop looks like in landscape mode. It's pretty awesome. But let's take a look at some apps like Files or Gallery. This is what the app would look like. This is what the internet browser would look like. Pretty neat. Calendar, calculator, and the clock. This is the task manager, and this is the notification bar, where you get your quick toggles like Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, auto rotate, flashlight, and etc. But let's take a look in the settings. So it's running Android 7.1 Nougat, which is pretty nice, since it's an updated UI. So let's talk about the camera. So here are some photos that I took with the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Pretty nice. And here's a front-facing picture. So this is what the video quality looks like on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. You can see them rich colors. This tablet also has Bixby. Will I ever use Bixby? I might. It depends. So let's get a Geekbench score. These are the scores: 663 for the single core score and 1837 for the multi-score. But yeah, this is actually a very good tablet. I love the aesthetics of the design. It feels like comfortable to hold in the hand since it's 8 inches. The screen contrast is sharp. A few things to know: it does not have backlit navigation bars. The home button is not a fingerprint scanner, and it does not have a SIM card slot, only a micro SD slot. So these are like the notification sounds. Sounds good. But yeah, this has been the unboxing and the overview of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Would I recommend this tablet? Yes, if you're just wanting something that has style and something that has like updated features like Android 7.1 Nougat, USB Type-C, and an updated UI. I'll leave a link down in the description so y'all could check it out, or if you're interested in buying this tablet. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more content. Peace.